Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and it is time to update my logbooks. For those that don't know, yes, I do have 4, but only one is my actual logbook, in effect, my actual completed. The others are my stash, which is probably a bad thing. But anyway, on to today's update. Today's update is actually probably going to be a shorter one. I don't have any paintings to add into my stash. Is that a good thing? I only have completions. So I have at least 3 completions to add. So far I have added 1 this year. I have completed a special as well, but I don't put pictures in for those. I just mark them up. So I have 3 more completions to add. Now I have taken photos for all 3 of them. But they don't yet fill an A4 photo piece of paper, so rather than waste it, I'm going to add those in next month. But we have had some movement on the whips. So my alphabet, my PaintGem rainbow alphabet, is still ongoing. I have done quite a few, but it is a longer term one, this one. There's 32 different pieces and I'm not doing them all at once. Heaven and Earth Design Mini Beautiful Light is of course my Thursday massive project. That one's going to be there for a while. But Hummingbird is completed. So that was started in January, but finished right at the beginning of February. So that one is all finished. Let's move that over to there. I was very happy with the quality of the drills on this one. The canvas as well, sorry. Canvas first. Canvas, drills, the purchase was seamless. So yeah, while it was a smaller one, I was very, very happy with that one. I've got nothing particularly special to note, so I will just add the completed picture later. So that one was classed as a large round, Hummingbird, and that is February 2025. Actually exactly a year after I finished Aussie Koala. But anyway, okay, so that one's been completed. Floral Surprise is still ongoing. That's my sort of in the background. Tiles I have completed. I have kitted up another one, but I have to push back the video because I've completed another one in between. So I've had to push back the kitting up of the next one, because if you watch Sunday's Whip and Waffle, I finished a painting. So I need to sneak in kitting up another one. But this one also gets 5 stars. I did add diamond dust drills to these, which I've been doing with all of my PaintGem recently. But I have made sure all the picture and everything has been taken and is all sorted, and I've kept those. And then I also have so PaintGem noted 2 pages. Where's Tiles? Tiles is here. So Tiles February 2025 as completed. And then I also have a small round to add into my whips, and also markers completed, so it's not going to stay in my whips for long. Mama and Baby Fox. I actually kitted this one up in February and I finished this one in my Whip and Waffle on Sunday. So let's take my picture off. Again, I have taken a picture. So I have 3 pictures, but they don't fill an A4 sheet. Very happy with the canvas and the diamonds and stuff on this one, especially considering this was a $4.99 painting. This is actually from 2020. I will be de-kitting this one soon, and I will be kitting up my next one soon, February 2025, and finished in February 2025. And I actually need to mark it on my list. Mama and Baby Fox, February 2025. So this is just sort of my master list of diamond paintings in small round, which I do have quite a few, but I also have quite a few that have been completed. So that one can go in there. So in the interests of keeping up to date, they are all my completed, whether you've seen the de-kitting videos or not. They are all the ones that I've completed, so 3 of them. So I will add pictures to those later. I do have one set of PaintGem that I know what they are, but the video hasn't come out yet. So I will move that to my whips list after this video, so as not to spoil any surprises. And then I'm actually going to be kitting up my next big painting after I've finished filming this video, so I've got no idea what that is yet, but I'll also move that to my whips just to help me not get confused, though who knows. But one other thing I did want to do, I mentioned it in one of my videos that may or may not have been released yet, but because I'm about to do my next preparation video, I have one of the decisions on my spinning wheel is my oldest painting in my stash, and I don't think these are necessarily in order, so I just want to check. So this one is December 2020, but this one I actually got in November 2020. I'm going to go by when I received them. That's October 2020. That's 2021, because I only started my logbooks in 2021. So while I added in everything I had in my stash, I didn't pay attention to the order that I added them in. Okay, that goes up to 2022. So I did just want to put these in the correct order so that if it does pick the oldest, at least I'll have them all right. Okay, so that one I actually received in January 21. That's October 21. That's November 21. That's December. And then we have February. And the rest should all be in order, because I added them in as I went along. So that one's done. Large round, we have May 21. I started it mid-2021. Oh, and then we go to 2022, October, December. So they're in order. So my rounds are complete. My squares, PaintGem don't count because I kit them up separately. But my small squares, I don't have a date received, but this was October 2020 and that was October 2021, so they're right. And then my large square, Heaven and Earth Design sort of doesn't count, but then we have October 21, October 21, that goes into 2022, and so do those. Okay, so it was only my small round that I needed to put in order. I know I have a small square and a small round that were both from 2020. You may have paid attention to which month. I've not, on purpose. I can't remember, and I'm not going looking. because if my decision wheel does pick for me to do the oldest painting in my stash, I will pull them out and have a look then. I kind of don't want to know because I'm expecting it to pick it. But we shall see. That video is coming, I think I've scheduled it for tomorrow. So it might be a quick video today, but we do have a kitting up video tomorrow because I need a painting to do for next Sunday's Whip and Waffle. So yeah, there we go. All my logbooks are back in their little box. I need to take that label off. But yeah, very quick update for today, but progress. None added to my stash. 3 completed, 2 paintings and 1 PaintGem. So I'm very, very happy with that. I am expecting PaintGem to drop some more soon, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for such a short little video, but we're all updated for the month and that makes me happy. And I will speak to you all again tomorrow.